Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the leveling leg on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new leveling leg for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The washer's leveling leg is used to raise and lower the washer. This can help stabilize and balance the appliance as well as help it fit the surrounding cabinetry. If the washer is not level, it can cause the washer to be off balance and not operate properly. For this repair, you'll either need a piece of wood to prop the washer up onto to access the legs to remove them, or to lay the washer down on its front on a soft surface to avoid scratching it to access the legs. Tilt the washer back and place a piece of wood under it to hold the washer up. Then spin the leg counterclockwise to remove it. You may need to use an adjustable wrench to help remove the leg. If you need a new leveling leg, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. Please note that the leveling legs are only sold in sets of 4. To install, align the leveling leg to the base of the washer and screw it into place. Then, repeat these steps on any other damaged legs. After installing the new legs, it is important to level the washer so it does not create any error codes or problems during operation. You can check our other video linked in the description below on how to do that. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.